According to neuroscience, it only takes 90 seconds to feel, process, and release emotions. I'm 44 years old, and for most of my life, I have literally been either resisting the emotion or completely attaching to the story of it and thinking that I'm releasing it and letting it go and not realizing that I'm not doing either of those things. To be honest with you, it's only this last week that I've had this profound, deep awareness of how to really feel these emotions and let them go. And that's what I'm going to share with you today. So how do we actually let our emotions go in 90 seconds? So close your eyes right now if you want to try it right now. Whatever has been coming up for you recently that seems to be a pattern, maybe pause the video and think about it for a minute. You're going to let this emotion in. We're going to feel it without judgment. So instead of thinking of, oh my God, I'm so terrible that I did this. This is so awful. I like to think it more abstractly, like it's a ball of energy, and invite it in. Don't run. Don't resist. Don't shame yourself for having it. That's where the attachment happens. So I'm making this video right now. What's coming up for me when I breathe into my heart space? That's where my answers are. We've made many videos about this in the past, but if you're new to this channel, just by breathing into your heart, you get clarity on the answers that you're seeking for whatever questions you're asking, because your heart is actually your intuition. So we start breathing into our heart. And what's coming up for me for the next layer that I need to feel, probably because I'm making this video right now, is creative insecurity that I absorbed from my father, with the fear that he felt and the grief of having to hold the weight of holding all of this company, taking care of his family, and feeling like he's doing it all on his own. And I absorbed it. I think I absorbed it in an attempt to release it from him unconsciously, but that didn't actually help him at all. All it did was make me carry it on my shoulders. And trust me, I feel the weight of it. So I'm inviting myself to feel this right now. Feel the weight of it. The heaviness. My father's carrying all of this. It's a lot. I know, because I did the same when my kids were little. It's a big burden to think you have to carry all of that weight and nobody's there to help you. You gotta take care of everybody. So I'm just inviting all of this pain in without judgment. It was nobody's fault. It was just a program he was running that he inherited from his parents. I'm going to breathe into it without judgment and totally feel it. And now I'm going to say to myself, I acknowledge you. I feel this grief, this creative insecurity, this pain, unsupported feelings. But it's not me. It's not me, and I allow myself to release it. I wasn't expecting to get all teary-eyed. I wasn't sure if that was going to work while I was on camera. I'm sure I've got mascara everywhere, but that's okay. And that was it. That was it. I felt it. I just released a layer. Because I chose to face it dead on, and name it, identify it. I even came up with how it's been echoed in my own life so I could really tap into it and feel it. And then I let it go. Because it's not mine. It's not mine to carry anymore. Say, I acknowledge you, I feel you, but I'm not you. So I invite you to place your hand on your heart, pause this video, really breathe into your heart for a few minutes, close your eyes, tune in, and ask, what do I need to feel right now? Because you'll see that this comes up in layers. And as we feel and process and release these layers, we get closer and closer to our true, authentic self. So we're not fixing, we're not shaming, we're not judging, we're not reattaching to the story. We're just seeing purely what that emotion is. We're allowing it to flow through us in waves, and we're letting that shit go. Emotions aren't here to punish us. They're here to guide us. We don't have to hold on to them. We don't have to carry them around like it's our identification. But I promise you, the more you practice, the easier it gets. I just want you to know that you're not alone. I am right here with you. I am going through the stages with you, and I am sharing everything I learn along the way. I'm Sarah Stone Love. If you enjoyed this video, please share it and join me every week where I'm going to be sharing more content to help you manifest the dreams that you love, to help you step into your true, authentic self. Because you know what? We are absolutely worth it.